This is the kale chip salad.
Walnuts, garlic, red pepper, and lime juice so far. This is the dressing for the kale chip salad. It's like kale chips, but you just don't dehydrate it.
Perfect.
It's better if you don't dehydrate it. It's okay, you know, for the kids or the girls, I guess. Air bubble, boom, and start it again. The garlic's good.
Garlic's good.
A little more salt, or a little too much salt.
And it's a little strong with the salt, actually.
Oh, okay.
A little bit. Just kind of peppery.
That's the garlic.
Yes, it's garlic.
That pepper is actually really good.
It's strong, but I think it'll be good.
So
when
maybe
we put
you
it
actually have more clean palate than they do. Do you
Yeah.
fairly clean,
I
low
tried
salt?
to. Yeah, I tried to.
We've been a little bit salty lately.
You guys are salty, but very carefully.
So much kale in here. Insane. There we go. There's some of that dressing. I was like, there's so much dressing.
Did you taste the? Yeah.
I just got here.
It's really good.
Wow.
Mmm. Very nice. Very nice. Mmm. Well, that's good enough garlic.
Yeah, it does, huh?
Well, I like garlic.
Me too.
My complaint is it's never enough.
Me too. For a
I go to
while,
restaurants and I say, a lot of garlic. Never.
I stopped eating garlic for a while because Dan never ate it, and so my breath always smelled. But then I
Smelled?
decided, yeah, like garlic. But then I decided it wasn't fair because I'm Italian too,
No.
so it's not fair for me not to eat garlic.
No, we have to. It's in our
It's
genes.
just not fair.
Would this work on
So
lasagna?
now I eat garlic again. I'm happy as a
That
clam.
will make it work.
This is our kale chip salad. I don't know if there's audio on that, but
There is.